Hello everyone. So I recently came up with a short where I told you that I'll be coming up with short videos in which I will be bringing up few idioms known and unknown to you so that your practice goes on a daily basis, and ultimately when you all have to do something with related to the idioms, like you have to either directly answer them as a question or you have to write essays or something and you need the idioms then, or in your normal conversation as well. So it's a completely grooming session, let me tell you, and I've got my question right here in front of me. Now listen, this is gonna be a nice quiz game kind of thing. Okay, I'm going to give you options first and I'm then going to give you each question. So we'll be discussing 5 questions only in this video, and all the idioms are related to the animals. So be ready. The options of animals which I'm giving you is, it can either be bee, it can be bird, it can be cat, chicken, dog, donkey, fish, goat, hen, monkey, rat and whale. These many options. Okay, and I'm going to give you 5 questions now. The very first question says, I always thought Lawrence was rather shallow and superficial, but yesterday I saw him reading a book of Renaissance poetry. He's a bit of dark dash. Now you have to fill in this dash. What dark? Okay, he is a bit of dark dash. So from the sentence you must have understood that here the meaning is that they were thinking him to be shallow and somewhat superficial, but when they saw him reading a book of Renaissance poetry, it was just a surprise for them. So that term, that idiom, dark. Now it's time for you people to comment below in the chat or in the comment section. Okay, meanwhile watching this video, so you let me know what is the answer of the first question you think. I'll repeat for you. I always thought that he was rather shallow and superficial, but when I saw him reading a book of Renaissance poetry, he is a bit of dark dash. Okay, time for revealing the answers. The answer is dark horse. What is the meaning of dark horse, guys? Dark horse is used to depict someone who actually comes up as a different person but has some hidden qualities in him or her. Interesting, right? We learned dark horse. We must have heard it before, surely. Now the second one. Second question is, I'm not going out with you looking like that. You look like something that the dash dragged in. I repeat, you look like something that the dash dragged in. Brush your hair, put some clean clothes. That means we are trying to refer to the person who is someone unclean, untidy kind of a person. Okay, so which animal will suit here? You look like something that the dash dragged in. The options I told you in the beginning of the video, right? So what dragged in? The answer will be cat dragged in. You look like something of a cat dragged in. Now this cat dragged in idiom means that you look untidy and unclean. Okay. Similarly, a very similar idiom which I like to tell you, the bonus idiom for this video is dog's dinner. So if we say that, okay, everyone was wearing t-shirts and jeans in the party, and then came Maria and looked like a dog's dinner. So here looking like dog's dinner doesn't mean untidy. Here dog's dinner mean that you look good but not suitable for a particular occasion. Like everyone is wearing western and you came up with something traditional, right? Or everyone is wearing traditional and you came up with something western. So this kind of some dressing up out of the scope of the occasion is called as dog's dinner. Bonus. Third question for you. This is very easy and I want all of you to comment below and let me know the answer. Alright. I live on the 14th floor of a tower block, so I have a wonderful dash eyes view of the town. Come on, what eyes view? Something visible from the top. Of course, who flies at the top? Bird's eye view. So the answer will be bird's eye view. Okay, something which gives you a good view from a higher position. Alright, question number 4 quickly. How did I know that you were going out with Lucy? Try to hear me. How did I know that you were going out with Lucy? Aha! A little dash told me. A little dash told me. Now here you have to put in an animal, guys. Okay, so which animal told me? Now this is very interesting. The real meaning of this idiom is when I don't want to reveal the name of a person who gave me this information, we rather use the term a little dash told me, that I came to know about it, but I'll not tell you from where I came to know about it. So the animal will be again bird. A little bird told me. So the idiom a little bird told me actually means that you know the information but you don't want to reveal the name of the person who informed you. The last idiom for this video now. It really gets my dash. It really gets my dash. The way she keeps interrupting all the time. That means here we have to fit in an animal pertaining to the meaning that you get annoyed, you get frustrated, you get irritated. Okay, it really gets my dash, the way she keeps on interrupting. So which animal would come here? The animal will be goat. Yeah, it sounds weird, but it's true. It really gets my goat the way she interrupts me. That means goat is a very patient animal. You have seen, right? Very calm and very silent, very cute as well. But still, getting my goat means making me agitated, frustrated, irritated. Okay, so gets my goat is a idiom. So in this video we learned 5 idioms and a bonus idiom, that's dog's dinner. If you like this session, please comment below and let me know. I'll be up with more such small videos where I'll be taking up few idioms on a regular basis. So that will be a good practice for your not only just for your direct examinations where idioms and its meanings are asked, but also for your personal grooming where you can use it in your conversations and in your essays as well. So thank you for watching this video and please take care.